Welcome back. Let us go through the question. Which of the following functions of time represent a simple harmonic, periodic but not simple harmonic, and a non-periodic motion? Give period for each case of periodic motion. Omega is any positive constant. So the answer for the first one is, see, if we do sine omega t minus cos omega t, and if we do some operation here and represent it, try to represent it at this format, then we can clearly see that it represents the form a sine omega t plus phi. So it represents SHM, of course, because it can be represented through this equation with a time period of 2 pi by omega. So the next one is sine cube omega t. So after some modification, we can write 1 by 4 into 3 sine omega t minus sine 3 omega t. So it can, the two functions individually represent SHM, but their superposition does not give rise to SHM, but the motion will definitely be periodic with a period of 2 pi by omega. So the next one is 3 cos pi by 4 minus 2 omega t. So from this particular thing, we can see that it represents SHM with a period of pi by omega. And then comes this thing, cos omega t plus cos 3 omega t plus cos 5 omega t. So here each individual functions are SHM, but superposition is not SHM. The function represents periodic motion but not SHM. And the period is the LCM of these three terms, that is 2 pi by omega, 2 pi by 3 omega, and 2 pi by 5 omega. So it is coming out to be 2 pi by omega. Then e to the power minus omega squared t squared. So the given function is exponential and therefore does not represent periodic motion. So the next one is 1 plus omega t plus omega squared t squared. This does not represent periodic motion as it cannot be represented in that particular format, right?